Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make K-Bomb Ramen Tom Yum. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients ready for this exciting culinary adventure. You'll need 1 packet of your favorite instant ramen, a good quality Tom Yum paste, and fresh components like shrimp or chicken. Don't forget some vibrant vegetables, perhaps a handful of sliced mushrooms or a few cherry tomatoes, to enhance both flavor and texture. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's create the heart of our K-Bomb ramen, the flavorful Tom Yum broth. Bring about 2 cups of water to a rolling boil in a small pot. Carefully add 1 to 2 tablespoons of Tom Yum paste, depending on your preferred intensity and spice level. Stir continuously until the paste is completely dissolved, releasing its fragrant, tangy, and spicy aromas. This step is crucial for building a robust foundation for your ramen. With your aromatic broth simmering, it's time to cook the noodles and add your delicious toppings. Carefully place your instant ramen noodles into the boiling Tom Yum broth. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they reach your desired tenderness. Next, introduce your protein, such as fresh shrimp or thinly sliced chicken, along with your chosen vegetables. Let everything cook together for a few minutes until the protein is fully cooked and the vegetables are tender crisp. Your K-Bomb Tom Yum ramen is almost ready to enjoy. For the perfect finish, garnish your bowl generously with fresh herbs like chopped cilantro or thinly sliced green onions. A final squeeze of fresh lime juice will add a bright, zesty tang that beautifully complements the spicy and savory broth. Serve your steaming hot ramen immediately to savor all the incredible flavors and textures you've created. Enjoy every delicious spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.